Hi everyone, I am Datta. I am today talking about pharmacovigilance terminology. First, WHO 2002 pharmacovigilance definition. The science and activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding, prevention, or EDR or any drug related problem. And next, vaccine of pharmacovigilance means the science and activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding, and communication of adverse event. Uh, Immunization or other vaccine of immunization related issue to the prevention of untoward effect of the vaccine of immunization. Next, minimum four criteria of EDR. First, identifiable patient, identifiable reporting source, and one suspect medicinal product, and at least one adverse event. First, ADR, adverse drug reaction, any unwanted and unintended response to an investigational medicinal product related to any dose of administration. Second, SAE, serious adverse event. Uh, in this step, it is not confirmed the adverse reaction due to drug, that is not sure adverse event due to drug that is not have causal relationship with drug, and serious adverse event may result in death, life testing, hospitalization, or prolongation of exciting hospitalization, and disability or incapacity congenital uh, and birth defect. Next, SAR, serious adverse event. In serious adverse event, it gives confirmation regarding to the ADR is due to drug. That is sure that adverse reaction due to drug. Next, SUSAR stands for suspected unexpected serious adverse event. An adverse reaction which occurred during clinical trials subject, which is assessed by investigator, being unexpected serious and having reasonable possibility casual relationship in with study. Next, savor effect. Savor effect means savor is used to the describe the intensity of a specific event, that is mild, moderate, or severe. Next, spontaneous report. Spontaneous report means report which are the obtained suddenly, immediately, and fast. It is a spontaneous report. Spontaneous reports. Next, solicited and unsolicited, two types. Solicited are also no idea about the adverse drug reaction which is occurred, and solicited having idea related to the adverse drug reaction which has been occurs. Next, literature means literature is a medium through which is the information related to the drug, that is side effects. Drug is published. People may publish their research study of marketed drug and its adverse drug reaction. Next, reportability. Reportability, in case that meets the criteria or special requirements for expedited submission to a health authority or a co-marketing partner. Next, healthcare professional. Healthcare professional are also medically qualified person, that is physician, dentist, pharmacist, nurse, and marketing authorization holders. Marketing authorization holder, the company that has permission to manufacture of the drugs and introduce the drug market. And ICSR means individual case safety reports. It is a adverse drug reaction of individual patient, and it is a source document of pharmacovigilance. Next, consumer. Consumer, a person who is not healthcare professional. For example, patient, children, lawyers, friends. And next, suspect drug. Suspect drugs means any drug which may potentially be implicated in the etiology of an adverse event. Next, non-suspect drug. Non-suspect drug known as concomitant medications. In general, drugs which were taken at the time of the event, but which are not true to have caused it. Next, past drug. Past drug means drug which were complicated and discontinued prior to the start of the treatment with suspect drug. Next, counterfeit medical product means they are the product which they are the product is briefly and fluently mislabeled. They have same content, label, quantity as standard drugs. Source has been used into cheap and give no effects or bioavailability. Manufacturing is not proper. Next, drug dependency. Drug dependency means hospital to a particular drug. Drug dependency generally occurs after a patient has taken a drug for a long time and for at a high dose. Withdrawal syndrome. Withdrawal syndrome means drug is slowly power of the time. And next, overdose. Overdose means if drug is taken thrice over the prescribed medicine, then it is a overdose, and it may be taken by accidentally. And next, medication error. Medication error means inappropriate use of medicine. For example, healthcare professional give to for X drug is instead of Y drug for make money, then it is medication error. And next, suicide. Suicide attempt means reports where the patient was on a drug before the suicide attempt. That is, the drug may have influenced the actions. Next, drug abuse. Drug abuse means inappropriate or wrong use of medicines. And drug interaction. Drug interaction means the action of one drug upon the efficacy or toxicity of one or more drugs. Drug reaction, drug alcohol, drug food. Next, lack of effect. Lack of effect means failure to pharmacological action other taking medicines. Next, placebo. Placebo means placebo are inactive pills, liquid, powder, which has no therapeutic activity and not gives any effect. It is used for only mental satisfaction. And next, IND. IND stand for investigational new drug. Investigational new drug means are also before the clinical trials. And next, India. India means new drug stands new drug application. India is approval for the complete the phase 3. And next, off-label use. Off-label use means a drug prescribed for condition other than those approved by the FDA. And next, blind label trial. It is a trial in which both patient and doctor has no idea regarding to drug that has been given. And next, open label trial. Open label trials means it is a process in which both patient and doctor has no related to the drug has been given. And next, international birth date. International birth date means when a particular drug got a approval for marketing or selling is the birth date of the drug. And next, data lock point. Data lock point are also this is date of the last date or deadline that the submission of the periodic report by signal detection. And next, signal detection. Signal detection means the WHO defines as a signal as a reported information on a possible association between an adverse event and a drug. The relationship being unclear or incompletely documented previously. Thanks. That's all about.